Original. Just say no, no, no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to TOYOMUYIWA. You already know the vibe. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. First things first, subscribe, period. That's what I have to say. Subscribe, like, share. You know the rest. You guys have probably been seeing on Instagram, YouTube, Headband Wigs. Yes, that's the new P. Apparently, I think there's lace shortage in China or whatever. I keep doing hand gestures. I don't know, maybe the things they're using to produce the laces is not available. So they develop headband wigs that don't need a lace. No time to install. This is like everyday wig. This is the vibe it's giving me. So they asked me what type of hair I wanted. I asked them for curly because I don't know, straight might not, like, to me might be a hit or miss. So I decided to get curly because curly is more everyday hairstyles. Let's get into it. I'm talking too much. It came with 5 headbands. I'll try them on for you guys in this video. And it came with the wig. I think it came with headband, like with the wig caps, but I probably used it honestly, like, because I unboxed it already, obviously. So I got the water wave wig in 22 inches natural black. So this is the wig. I'm in love with the texture. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try and change the focus. So this is the water wave hair. No products are inside yet. So this is the headband. I hope it's clear because I'm not really seeing from where I am. It comes with a Velcro back to adjust how tight you want it on your head. The wig comes with 4 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one on both sides. It also has the elastic adjustable strap that comes with the wig, with the cap, and the headband thing at the back, and this is Velcro. Yeah, so let's get into this. This is something different. So this is my first time trying it on, so hopefully it's not that hard. So let's go. So there's no need for foundation because it's not gonna show. So let's try this on. Hopefully it's my size because I got a big ass head and like my hair is full on. I'm gonna put the comb in the back. Fix it at the back. I used the comb in front to hook it in front. The combs are keeping it in place. Oh, so this is it on. Let me make it a center part. So I'm going to add water because I don't really like how puffy it is, and water will make it come down. Then I'll add some mousse. So let me go get water and I'll add mousse on camera. So I've added water to it, and as you can see, it looks longer. Let me show you guys. But you guys, like the texture of this hair, like I'm not even capping right now. Like the texture of this hair, it's beautiful. Like you can see. See how it's bouncing, like the texture, like, bro. See side part, like, okay, let me see what I can do. Well, actually, you guys, I'm just very undecisive. So just watch me as I try to style this hair in different ways.
Ryan Little.
I don't know how it looks. So this is a different type of look, but let me try. I try one of the headbands. Use this side of the headband. So, what do you guys think of this? I don't know how it really looks in the camera, but like it's not looking bad to me from where I'm sitting.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis.
So I want to try and tighten the bun and see how it looks. So I'll try and roll this around. And I'll just tuck it in to the hair time. I feel this gives me like an everyday just going to the mall hair look. Let me try turning this to the front and seeing how it goes. Let me add this in front. I swear, I'm actually not disappointed. Like, it's alright. So what do you guys think?
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci.
This is like messy bun, like not really trying, but trying. Like I don't look scruffy, and doesn't look like I put too much effort. So you get the drift. So let me try another hairstyle. Something just came to mind, so I'm just going with how this goes. Let me try another headband just so you guys get different headbands. For this hairstyle, do you know what came to mind? I'm thinking of bringing like 2 strands to the front. I'm just gonna take some because there's no lace. So I'm gonna bring 2 strands to the front. I'll probably go wet it after I'm done. Like, I don't know if this is too much. Actually, I don't think so. 2 strands. So your mirror is behind the camera. So, and then I'm going to pack this to the back. Actually, this is too much. Let me reduce. Pack this to the back. Oh, I think I like it. I'll pack it to the back, and then I'm going to add the headband on top of this and see how that looks. Even if it doesn't look nice, I feel like it looks nice like this. Just doing trial and error, trying new styles. So bear with me through my thought process. Okay, I think I want the hair to be out, and then I'm going to add the headband right on top of these 2 strands. I want the flat side in front just so. How does this look to you guys? I don't know if it's better with the hair on top of the headband or underneath, but I think this looks like I tied the scarf over my head and just let some stay down. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments which hairstyle is your best. So I'm going to add just a little bit of mousse just to make this 1 strand. You see that? I just added a little mousse and it made it more like defined. So I think this is nice. At least it looks okay in my eyes. What do you guys think? And I want to let me try it with the hair down. So what do you think? I think I like it. Oh, I think I like it down more.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't.
I think I like it down with the 2 strands in front, just to add a little flair. I think it even looks okay without the headband, like with this same hairstyle. Like it's super cute. What you mean? What you mean? Who won't check me? And that's on period. Like this is basically 10 minutes to do my hair. 10 minutes is even a stretch because all I need to do is put on this wig. Like you guys don't get how much time I save using this, but things are like, yeah. Like it's going to be my everyday wig for sure. I look cute. So next one, I'm going to try and do another hairstyle. I'm going to try on the next one just because I want to show you guys all the headbands they sent me. So this one is blue or turquoise. So what color is this? Let me think in this my imaginative brain. What kind of hairstyles next? Maybe I should try and do 2 buns. But my issue right now is I can only find one of my hair ties at the moment. So it's not even. But I think you guys get the message. So I was having a really hard time. Even now, it's not even like as I want to see the hair clip still there. But just disregard that. Anyways, this is the 5th or 4th. Either way, this is the next hairstyle I came up with. 2 buns, obviously to be neater if you guys want to do it and take your time to go out. But yeah, this is the next one. I'd rather do it like take it out with only the black headband because I feel like it looks better without the green. But either way, it's cute, as you can tell. I struggled with this. I didn't really want to show you guys the struggle, but you guys should get the drift. Just get hair ties or a bobby pin. I just don't have hair ties. That's the struggle today. It's not neat, but like it's okay for the purpose of this video. You guys get the hairstyle. When you're doing it on your own, I'm not going to be there. Do it for you. But yeah, this is the 3rd headband. I think I have one more. I have the white one, so I would challenge myself to actually think of another hairstyle for this one. I don't think I have any more up my sleeve, but let's see how this goes, okay? But enjoy this one first.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
So for this one, I've decided to attempt the half up, half down hairstyle. Let me just wrap it around. Doesn't hold it in place. So I don't know how I feel about this one. Let me add the headband on top. This one's white, so hopefully it doesn't get stained. So what do you guys think of this hairstyle? I feel like I didn't do it well enough, obviously, because it's still a bit puffy on the side. Pump the hair up because the hair needs to look puffy. So what do you guys think? This is my last hairstyle. Please subscribe. Don't tell me I didn't try. I tried. I've tried. This has taken all my creative juices at me. So this is the last for today. I really hope you liked this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on this channel. I'm focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I drop vlogs, I do try on hauls. Watch my Pretty Little Things try on haul that I dropped. So if that's anything of your interest, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. If you like my vibe, subscribe. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Feel free to let me know which of the styles that you prefer, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6.
I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plum.